Welcome to my channel. Belkin AC1900 F9K1124 router setup. Plug in the router's power adapter and ensure it's powered on. Connect your modem to the router's WAN internet port using an Ethernet cable. If desired, connect your computer to one of the router's LAN Ethernet ports using another Ethernet cable. Access the router's setup page. On a device connected to the router, wired or wirelessly, open a web browser. Enter http://router or http://192.168.2.1 in the address bar to access the router's web-based setup page. The Belkin setup page should automatically detect your internet connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your network settings, including setting up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Once the setup is complete, ensure your devices can connect to the Wi-Fi network using the credentials you set. Thanks for watching.